First step, connect the machine power. Second step, connect the air tube to the cylinder. Third step, open the top cover of the machine and the inlet of the water tank. Add about 16 liters of pure water, distilled water, high purity weight. Tighten the tank cap. Close the upper cover of the machine and tighten the force eye screws. Connect the welding machine and wire feeder power cord. Power on the wire feeder. Machine start. Press the SET button to set the wire feeding speed, recovery time, recovery speed, and distance of the wire feeder. The manual recovery button is generally used to replace the welding wire. Keeps wire feeder running at maximum speed. The simulation runs at the wire feeder speed you set. The set parameters can be changed by plus and minus signs. After setting, press the set key and then press the run key to save the settings. Open the wire feeder side door. Pull the pressure handle. Unscrew the wire feed roller fixing screw. Select the corresponding wire feed roller according to the welding wire used. 2 wire feed rollers as a set. There are 2 groups, 1, 0.8, 1.2 and 1.6 respectively. Select the corresponding wire groove. Load into wire feeder. Tighten the screws. Loosen the wire feed tube connection port screw. Tighten the wire feeder bracket. Install connector. Load into wire feeder. Tighten the screws. Select the corresponding welding wire. Thread the wire feeding hose from the corresponding wire groove. Finally, press the handle tightly. Unscrew the emergency stop button. Unscrew the key switch. Wait for the machine to boot. Wait for the temperature of the machine to reach more than 20 degrees and restart the machine to use it normally. How to change language? Click Settings in the upper right corner. S and Language Setting. Select the language that needs to be changed. Click Return. Change the material to be welded. Change the thickness of the weld. After confirming the thickness, click the Edit panel. Change the corresponding parameters according to your own needs. Open the shutter to start the welding operation.